Hey guys, welcome to Freedom Life Secrets channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a membership site in ClickFunnels. So before we get started, if you're brand new to my channel, I'll be making videos about how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, how to create sales funnel and email marketing. If you are interested, please do subscribe to my channel. So let's get started with today's topic. In this video, we will learn how to set up a membership site and how to give access to certain group of people and how to restrict access, etc. So if you're on this video, I'm assuming that you already have a ClickFunnels account because we will be using ClickFunnels software to build a membership site today. If you don't have an account, I have provided the link in the description. You can sign up for 14 days free trial for this software. So talking about membership sites again. So what is a membership site? Membership site is nothing but a place where you provide access to your visitors where they can access a particular course or lessons. Because let's say you created some course and if they made a purchase from you and you don't have set it up at one place and you're sending them through emails, so it will be annoying and you need to create a systematic in a systematic way at a certain place. That's where we will create a membership site. So the basic design here is one membership site per business. Do not create separate membership site for each funnel. Let's say you have multiple funnels. So for example, you're selling your Facebook ads course in one funnel and you're selling your ClickFunnels ads course in one funnel. You don't have to create multiple membership sites for each of the funnel, because let's say somebody bought a Facebook ads course from you and somebody bought because they went ahead and created an account to access that particular course, and let's say they purchased another course from you. Because you have another membership site, they will again have to create their user login and again password. So it will be very annoying to your customers, because they will have multiple accounts for each of your course. So rather than that, you can create one. In my opinion, you need to create one membership site for one per business. So that's what we are going to do today. So let's get started. So this is how the ClickFunnels backend looks like. Let's go ahead and click on build a funnel, or you can just come here and you can click here as well. So okay, classic funnel builder. We are selling a product, so choose membership. So member, let's give it a name. Oops, what happened? Membership site. You can select the group tag if you want to. Okay, so once you set up your membership site, this is how it's gonna look. You need only two pages to set up your membership site. One is membership access page and one is membership area. So these two pages by default they come whenever you click on membership site to set up a membership site in ClickFunnels. So here this page is nothing but your sign up page. This is how it's going to look like. It's a simple sign up page where somebody comes and they provide their email, they set up their password, and they will create their account. So I'm just going to choose a very simple template here. You can check other templates as well. We will just keep it as simple as possible. And okay, once you import that template, you can as I explained in my previous video, you can set up your domain by going to settings. Here is the domain. Okay, so let's select a domain. I'm not choosing any domain right now for this demo purpose. And what you can give your path, I'm just going to give membership access. Okay, and come at the bottom, save and update settings, and you can go to publishing. You can update your step path. And also we will also update our variant path as well. So these are the three places where you need to update your path. So once this is done, you can go ahead and edit this page. So here, this is also again pretty simple editor. As you see in ClickFunnels, there are many page editors. Any other, it's just like any other page. So only difference here is this this element, where like if you see user login, this element is what makes this page different from other pages in ClickFunnels. So here what will happen is, in this page, email, blah blah blah, you can change the color, all the editing stuff, they remain the same. Only thing different in this page is the user login page. So I'm just going to remove this element. Okay, this makes this page clean. Okay, so let's just click save. Okay, so we are not going to spend much time. This is just a simple login page, so you can keep as is. We saved. Let's come back. Okay, now next page is membership area. Once somebody creates an account, okay, then they will come to this next page, where actually this page has all your content, where you have all your lessons, or I mean all your courses, all the lessons among within that course. So you have, if you have multiple courses, everything will be in this area. So let's go ahead and select this first one, member area page. Okay, so once it is done, as you can see, this looks pretty much different from other pages that you build in ClickFunnels. Here you don't see that editor page directly here, and that a split testing page, everything here. What is the difference here is, and also you see two key confusing part was like login URL and what is secret sign up URL. So this is very simple. Just don't get confused with this. Secret sign up URL is nothing but your sign up page. So let's open it here. So this page is nothing but whenever somebody buys your product, you need to redirect them to this page. Here they will create their account basically. So this I will call as sign up URL. Okay, and the other one is, this is where is the login URL. So when somebody creates an account, okay, so they don't have to, I mean, next time whenever they want to log in, they can use this URL to directly log in. So this is the login URL. Okay, as you can see, this is where it will allow them directly enter their email and password and directly log in. You can't directly send people to this URL, because if they haven't created an account yet, because they have no idea, I mean, they have no idea what to enter, because their account is not yet created. So these are very simple things. One is sign up URL. I mean, secret sign up URL is nothing but sign up URL. It's just a simple login URL. So let's talk about the editor here. Here we will not make any much changes, because the only difference with this page is when you compare with other pages in ClickFunnels, in the elements you can see two different things: navigation and content. Navigation is something, whenever somebody goes through your course, they will see let's say here there will be a course name, and they will how they can navigate. And here is the content page, here is the video, the logout, everything will be here. So I'll not make any I'm not going to make any changes to this page. If you want, you can remove some parts if you don't want to. I just came here to just show how this your design of your membership site look like. Okay, so this is done. Now as I explained, as we can see, sections or courses. So section is nothing but your course. So basically, let's say you are selling something, let's say I'll call it a ClickFunnels course. Okay, so let's update. Okay, this is your ClickFunnels course, and inside your ClickFunnels course there are lessons. So this is lesson number 1. So let's add one more lesson. Add a new lesson, choose the section that is nothing but your course name. So lesson number 2 template, I'll choose a video lesson, and there are some advanced settings you can play around them. I mean, I'm not doing anything right now. I'm just keeping it simple. So if you want to, so this is where you're adding the lessons. I'll just show you how you can edit these pages. Just click on open editor, and this is also pretty similar editor, just drag and drop how you used to do in any other page in ClickFunnels. So intro to your awesome page. Okay, this is my lesson 2. So let's say I'm teaching them, I mean, we are talking about ClickFunnels course here. So let's this lesson 2 be how to build your first funnel. Okay, so you can type anything like whatever that suits your purpose. So here is the video element. Here you can come and let's say you have uploaded your video to YouTube, you can just come here and grab the YouTube URL link and paste it here. If you have created your video in Vimeo or Vista, or if you have anything custom HTML5 video, so you can just come and paste here. That's it's pretty simple. So this is how you will create your lessons. You can go ahead and add another elements, and if you want to sell something in the end of the first lesson, you can all do that. Okay, this is saved. Let's come out. Let's create some more lessons. Okay, I just clicked on copy. Okay, we will edit lesson 3, update lesson. Okay, so this is how we will create your lessons in this is section, that is course, and these are lessons. And again, here you need to understand you can only restrict people based on sections, not on lessons. What I meant by that is, let's say whenever somebody purchases a ClickFunnels course, you cannot restrict them from accessing all the lessons. Like for example, if some let's say I bought a ClickFunnels course, I can watch all the 3 lessons. You cannot restrict them. Okay, you need to watch only lesson 1. You cannot watch lesson 2 or 3. That's how the ClickFunnels allows you to restrict people. It's not based on the lessons, it's based on the sections. So I'll just create one more section to demonstrate in more in detail. Let's say I will create a Facebook. Okay, here I have. So I have create one. I'll create one more section, that is my Facebook ads course. I will add one more lesson. So my lesson is for Facebook ads course. So intro video, template video lesson, and again create a lesson. So I'll create one more lesson. That will be my lesson number 2. Okay. Similarly, any number of lessons that you have, you can go ahead and add, and any number of courses that you have, you can go ahead and add. For example, add new lesson section is what you can add a course, add new lesson within that course. Okay, now you understood like what is a login URL, sign up URL, how you can create a course, lessons within those course. Okay, let's say if somebody purchases a ClickFunnels product from you, we have not put any restrictions. He will see Facebook ads course as well, ClickFunnels course as well. We want to put restriction on someone so that they don't see everything they haven't bought. So how we can do that? We will use restrict access here. So anybody, currently this is ClickFunnels, name is ClickFunnels course. From products, we can actually restrict somebody from accessing restrict somebody from accessing only the particular course that they have actually bought, not the ones all the courses that you have. So because I have these 3 courses in my other funnel, so that's why they are coming up. I'll show you how to create these products as well in a minute. Okay, so this is done. Okay, what we can do is we can go back to funnels. Okay, add new funnel. create a custom funnel. So members funnel, build a funnel. So here you will be having other steps as well. I'm not going to show every step. You will be having your email opt-in page, thank you page, and where you are going to sell. So what I will be showing is how this order form look like. So I will select this template. So before this page there will be steps like opt-in page, where you will collect their email address, and there will be a sales page where you will show them, okay, this course is going to, how this course is going to help them. Once you say, okay, if you want this course, click here to buy. So they will have to put their credit card information. So that is what I'm going to show you here. So this is the page where they will enter their credit card information, their contact email address, credit card, and then as you can see, the product is blank here because it is showing as dynamically updated because we haven't added any products yet. So once they click here, they will be redirected to a particular login page, and they will have access to only that particular course. I'm going to show everything here. So come back, go to products. Okay, we don't have any product, so let's add one product. Okay, so integrations, how you are going to receive your payments. It's very simple. You can add within minutes these payment integrations. There are you can just Google it out. You will get that information. So okay, so what is the product that we are selling? ClickFunnels, sorry, course. So I already have a ClickFunnels course in other funnels, so I'll to make it unique, I'll just give it as demo. Okay, let's say 50 USD. Okay, because this is a digital product, I'm not giving my original address, shipping original address and everything. Okay, click save and next. Okay, so here is one more thing. This is an optional step, but I would recommend you to send this email. So what is a fulfillment email is, whenever somebody purchases like they go to the order page and they make the purchase, and for some reason they don't go to the actual membership site what you have created right now, and they will not know like where to go now. I mean, they made the payment but they are not able to access your members area. So it's always important that you send an email, like whenever someone makes a purchase, you send them an email saying that, okay, thank you for your purchase. If something went wrong, you can always log in, create your account here, or if you already created your account, you can log in from here. That is what is fulfillment email. Like this email will trigger immediately after they make the purchase. So I'm going to enable it. I'll just show you, like, thank you for your purchase. Okay, hey there. Okay, let's just thank them. If you can access the member area here. Okay, so I had copied the login URL, so it will be pretty simple step. Okay, for some reason, if you are unable to create an account, click here, create an account. Okay, so this is the sign up URL. If they run into any problem while creating an account, they can again come back here and they can create. If you have any questions, they can respond back. This email, based on your email integration, it will come back. So this is what I'm saving here. Okay, next. Follow up. So this is also one of the important step. This is also put it as optional if you want to. So because you're selling them, like right now ClickFunnels course, let's say you have some other course that you want to sell. So it's always important to build your email list. So everybody keeps on talking about this. So we will save the email. So once you enable this option, ClickFunnels will show you any integrations that are already integrated with your account. So I already have ClickFunnels internal one and GetResponse I have integrated. So they are pretty simple steps. You can go and watch my previous videos. I will show you step by step how to integrate GetResponse with your ClickFunnels, how to set up your emails and everything, how to create your list, basics, all those stuff. For this demo purpose, I'm choosing GetResponse. What actions it needs to do when somebody makes a purchase. So I'll just save it to. So this list you need to create in your GetResponse account. So any lists that are created in GetResponse account will show in this drop down. So we have created a save and next. Okay, so these are optional steps, but I'm telling you because they are very important, because in the long term, if you want to grow your business, email list is an important aspect in your business. So is it a physical product? No, I'm just keep it as off. So even if you have a physical product, you can ask them to provide their shipment and everything. So you can just review what product saved. So as you can see, ClickFunnels course demo for $50, we have added the product. We have one more course, that is Facebook ads course. I'm going to do the same thing. Just create this. Again demo, because I already have a course. Let's say its price is 50. Okay. Click on save. Next. And fulfillment email, as I told you, you can just write it, and whatever I wrote, you can just write and say send next. Follow up, again if you want to trigger, else I'm just gonna keep it as is. So it's always important you keep that on, because you need to collect people's email. So we have added two of our product. One is ClickFunnels course demo, Facebook ads course, this members funnel, this funnel name is members funnel, and obviously you will have different steps again. This would be your third step, order form, and because the first step would be your opt-in page and sales page, where you will promote some, you will tell them about like how this course is gonna help them, and once they come, it will be the third step. So we have done this everything. So let's go back to our membership site to see how we can restrict them. Okay, let's open this. Come to membership area. Now you have created your course, so you want to restrict. So you want to restrict people who have bought the ClickFunnels course to see only ClickFunnels course. So okay, so this is the members funnel which we created just now. So I just showed you how to create a product in other funnel. So these are the products that I already have. You can have numerous number of funnels. It will all give. So I'm going to give access to only who has made the purchase from my membership funnel from this product, for this product. Okay, so it's going to restrict people who to see only ClickFunnels course. Similar thing here. I'm just going to come here and Facebook ads course, update lesson. So that's the beauty of ClickFunnels. You can do all this thing within half an hour. Even less than that. So if you go ahead and create a website, it's going to take a lot of time and effort, and also to process those credit card information. You need to make your site secure. So with ClickFunnels, you can make this within half an hour. That's the beauty of ClickFunnels. It's very powerful tool in this matter. So you have now you understood like how to set up your membership site, we have restricted our access. So now what actually happens, now one more thing, so you need to, whenever somebody makes the purchase in your order form, you need to make sure that once they click on submit order, you need to send them to this secret sign up URL page. So how you're gonna do that, you just copy this link, okay, go back to your funnel where you are selling these courses, members funnel, and now hope it's making sense. What we will do is we'll just come back to this page. Okay, so here go to settings, general, and click here, okay, and save. Okay, so anybody coming here and putting their contact information, their credit card, and then once they click on get instant access, they will be redirected to, I think I have opened it here, this page. And also they are going to get an email for saying that thank you for your purchase. If anything goes wrong, you can always access your course with this link. If you run into any issues, please use the list link. So two things. And also it's going to save their email address to your autoresponder tool, and also you can send as many emails as you want. So with ClickFunnels you are doing so many things together. So that's how powerful this tool is. Okay, so let's just preview this page, how it's looking. So you can edit them always. As you can see, now we have added our product. So for $50 Facebook ad course, so they can choose their product, and would they click on get instant access, they will be redirected to the other page where they will come and create this account, and they will have the access to a particular course they have selected for. I hope you got value from this video, guys. If you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section. This is a pretty simple topic, but it may seem complicated, but if you do it the step-by-step method, it's very simple. If you have any questions, do let me know. Hope you got value, guys. Thank you.